Now we will create the chart for the negative deviations. So we mark our chart, copy it and put it down here. Then we mark the chart, right mouse key, select data. Then we mark positive, button edit, and we write NEG for negative deviations, and we mark the negative deviations from the Q8 until Q19. Okay, and okay. Go down, we mark the deviations, and we select a red color. Then we go to chart design, add chart element, go to data labels, more data label options. Go down here to number, then format code, we write square bracket open equals 0, square bracket close, quotation marks, semicolon, minus 0%, and click on the add button. And you see we have no zero values here. Close the window, mark the chart, chart design, go to add chart element, then axis and primary vertical. Make a double click on the vertical line here and go down here in axis options. We say values in reverse order. Close the window and we mark the vertical axis and delete it. Then we will make a double click here on the chart and we say at the bucket we say no fill and close the window. In the next video we will consolidate these charts.